It's no surprise that live streaming is going through a huge boom right now with everything that's going on in the world. And if you stream on Facebook gaming, YouTube gaming, or Twitch, you can expect huge growth. In fact, Twitch is actually projected to have double-digit growth this year and is also projected that it's going to hit over 40 million viewers on its platform. That is astounding. That gives you a huge opportunity for you to grow, but it also means there's a huge opportunity for competition, and there's more competition now than ever, which is why in this video I need to give you 5 awesome upgrades that you can make to your stream. And I'm not just going to tell you what they are, I'm going to show you why they are important, so that way you can utilize them to the best of your abilities, so that way you can dominate the competition, so that way you're the top dog streamer. Let's go. Hey, what is up, all you awesome streamers? Wild for Games here, helping you become bigger and better with your live streaming and content creation needs. And in today's video, we're going to go over 5 simple, awesome upgrades that you can make to your stream. In fact, that you should make to your stream, so that way you have a better first impression for when you're getting all this new discoverability and fluctuation to your channel. So let's dive right into it. When it comes to making upgrades and improvements to your stream, generally people go to, oh, I want a new web camera or a better microphone, or perhaps an audio interface, so that way everything can sound good on my stream. And while these are all important upgrades, and I do recommend them as you start to grow as a streamer, it's not one of the first things I would upgrade. One thing that I would recommend that gets looked all the time is your internet. A lot of people don't concentrate on their up and down and how much more available internet they could get so their stream will be more consistent, clean, clear, and not drop frames, which means it's going to be a better viewing experience for all the people that are trickling into your stream. Now, the reason this is important is because people more than ever are now working from home in your area, which means your node that is delivering your internet to your area or neighborhood is probably getting more stressed than ever. And because of that, the bandwidth that you're probably getting to your house now is not as strong as it used to be a year or 2 ago, which means you'll probably have to upgrade your internet package so you can get more bandwidth. Also, on a side note of this, is a lot more internet ISP companies have been laying new lines and new types of line, so you might be able to get better and bigger bandwidth, which is going to be super awesome for your stream. When it comes to upgrading your internet, you can't just throw cash at a higher ISP package, because that may not work for you. You have to think about the new technology that's coming out for the lines and bandwidth that's being laid. You may have to upgrade to a 3.1 modem and router. I personally like using the Nighthawk series, but that's just me, and it also comes down to what your ISP will accept for modems and routers. You gotta do a little bit of research. You also have to do a little bit of research on what will be transmitting back and forth and what can receive higher bandwidths, which means your computer may need a little bit of an upgrade. Hey, those are just things that you have to think about as you go forward, and I just want to make sure you're aware of that before you make this upgrade. Most streamers want to make a better visual impact on their stream, and one of the first things they think about is adding a better camera, whether it be a web camera, mirrorless camera, or DSLR. But you know what? Most cameras out there in this day and age have the capability of delivering decent to excellent image quality, provided you have enough lighting. And that's where streamers really struggle. They buy an awesome camera, but they don't buy adequate lighting, so that way that image inside the camera can be produced off the image sensor there, so you can have good, clean, rich clarity in your stream. And that's where you want to make one of your first upgrades. Now, you don't have to go expensive here. Yeah, you could spend the big bucks on Elgato ring lights, panel lights, and all that fun stuff, but guess what? Lighting is basically lighting. Nobody's gonna know what's on the opposite side of the camera. So you can go cheaper here if you want to. You can go with like GVM, or you can go with newer panel lights. Go LED, so that way it doesn't get hot in your room, and that will be more than adequate enough to produce a high quality image and also allow you to shape light so you can have cool effects within your room. If you need any suggestions on some budget-friendly entry-level lights, done a couple of those. I'll make sure to put them down in the video description below for all of you. All right, I'm gonna give you one of the best free upgrades that you can make to your stream. That's right, it costs you nothing, 100% free. You should increase your camera size on your stream. You need to remember the one thing that cannot be duplicated across any live streaming channel is you. So stop making yourself so small and push down into one of the corners of the live stream. You're the unique part of your stream, not the gameplay. We all know what Fortnite looks like. We all know what Minecraft looks like. We all know what Call of Duty looks like. What can't be duplicated is you. I show up to Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube for the live aspect. I want to see you. I want to engage with you. And if you can increase you to where we can have a better connection, it's going to help you stand out. And I guarantee you, you're going to get more people trickling in to your stream. Now, you don't have to go so big that you're intrusive on the gameplay. Find balance. But a lot of you out there can probably increase your camera image source probably like 20 to 30%. Some of you can even increase it by 50%. I want to see more of you because you're the unique part of your stream. Since live streaming is growing and exploding right now, it's more important than ever that you have more brand awareness and consistency among your brand and what you're streaming, which means you want to make sure that all your graphics and visuals are consistent all the way across your video player and channel. And this is where you want to make sure that your panels, your offline screens, your overlays, your emotes, and everything match. So that way when people see it, they can easily associate it to you. Or if it's used in another channel, or if you got bumped on Twitter, Instagram, any social media, blog or thread or Reddit, people can easily associate it to you. And that is awesome branding. When it comes to your awareness and brand, and if you want to make it consistent, there's a lot of great resources out there. If you don't know where to start, it's okay to use a template graphic package service. Nerd or Die, Visual by Impulse, and Owned are great places to start. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate with Owned, so if you want to help support my channel and also save some cash, you can use the links down below. If you're a Streamlabs user out there and stream from their Slobs software, you may want to consider throwing down some coin for Streamlabs Prime, which gives you an awesome library of different themes that you can use that could be associated with your brand, but it also gives you the added little spin bonus of using seasonal things for, oh, I don't know, the holidays or certain celebration times where you can jump back and forth from all these different themes to make your stream a little more unique. If you want something more consistent with your brand and customized, I would most likely use Fiverr. Now, there's a secret to using Fiverr because you're going to see a lot of negatives on Fiverr. Those are the people that want to spend no money. You want to spend money because you want to pay for what you're going to get. And when you pay for what you're going to get better quality. So do a little bit of research. Again, I'm affiliated with Fiverr. I've used it a number of times. I'm going to put a link down below that'll help you get to the right spots. Also, all these services that I mentioned offer free packages at certain times. So make sure you check under the free resources section because you could find some really cool stuff until you got enough saved up to spend some money on you. With all this new competition coming to market, to me, it's more important than ever that you have something that's unique, different, and original. And no better place to really represent that than your emotes. Can we all get away from having the same emotes that are, you know, in every channel over and over and over? Find something unique, find something custom, find something original. And I recommend get custom ones made. Now, if you're starting out, Fiverr is a great spot like we mentioned before. They actually have an emote section that I'll link down below. But as much as I would love to make money off the affiliation sales, I actually like helping my friends even more. If you go to the creative/art section of Twitch, there are a ton and a ton and a ton of awesome emote artists that I would love for you to help support that offer great custom packages out there. If I had to mention just a couple, my friend Seraphine, my friend Residue, and my friend Vienna are all awesome emote artists, and I will put their links and information down below. Let them know that Wild sent you. Maybe they'll toss a little discount in there. I don't know. I promise nothing. It's no secret that we love emotes, but if you can have an emote that's original and different and unique, it just stands out among the platform, and people ask, where did you get that? And when you get that, that's how you know you have something special, because they'll click on it, they'll see the tag, they'll go to your channel, and hey, maybe they'll follow or even subscribe because they want that emote as well. Another little side note about emotes and custom emotes that's going to help you grow as a streamer, I would really like to see a lot more of you, depending on who you are, an affiliate or a partner, and how much growth you expect, is already plan for the future of the emote slots you're going to unlock. This way you can create hype around it, really set out goals on your stream that people can participate in. And when you have these emotes already ready, great words there, Ryan. When you have these emotes already ready, you can dump them into these slots and people can start using them right away, provided you're in good standing with Twitch. And that's what makes it really awesome. The other nice thing is if you have already emotes in the chamber, you can rotate some in and out for different seasons or holidays or special events. Another cool way to build hype within your channel. There's a lot of great ways to improve your stream and upgrade it this year, and everybody should really strive to make improvements on their stream so that way they have better first impressions. Because I'm telling you now, even though streaming is exploding with growth, the competition's gonna be more cutthroat this year. And if you can't evolve and if you can't change, you're going to be left in the dust, because every day new people are coming to the platform, and that means more competition. And I want you to be successful. And one of the best ways to be successful on Twitch is, no joke, check out all my tips, tricks, tutorials, and how-tos on how to dominate with your live streaming platform of your choice. I'm going to put a couple of videos over here to the side that's going to expand your knowledge and give you more confidence on stream. Check those videos out. They really help my channel. I'm so glad to see you. Take care, and of course, peace.